Every product has a hidden story. Where it comes from, how it's made, how it's used, and where it ends up. Lifecycle assessment, or LCA, lets you see that story from start to finish. In simple terms, LCA measures how a product affects the environment throughout its entire life. Take a cotton t-shirt. LCA looks at water used growing cotton, energy in manufacturing, emissions from shipping, resources for washing and drying, and what happens when it's thrown away. It's a cradle-to-grave analysis that reveals environmental impacts you might have never considered. If you design, manufacture, or sell physical products, this concerns you. Product designers need lifecycle data to make material choices. Manufacturers get requests for environmental impact information from customers and retailers. And if you're in industries like fashion, electronics, automotive, or packaging, LCA requirements are already part of doing business in many markets. So, why the urgency? Because sustainability claims without data just don't fly anymore. But more importantly, LCA helps you design better products. It shows you exactly where your products have the biggest environmental impact throughout their life cycle, so you can switch to cleaner materials, redesign manufacturing processes, or rethink packaging, changes that often reduce costs as well as environmental impact. This will keep you ahead of competitors who are still guessing. Where to start? Pick one key product and gather data across its full life cycle. Materials, production, transport, use, and disposal. Analyze this data to find your biggest hotspots, then focus your efforts there. SAP Solutions automate the data collection and analysis, making it easy for you to identify where changes will have the greatest impact. The future belongs to products made with purpose. Lifecycle assessment gives you the insights from design to disposal to make that possible.